Gaurav Bhatia, I just want to say at the start of the debate, very strong views on this subject. I want to request you to answer my questions today because if we all speak over everyone, और मैं सबको कह रहा हूँ कि अगर एक दूसरे को सुने, मैं सवाल पूछूंगा, सवाल के रिप्लाई दें और दूसरी बात, दूसरी बात, the other question is, Gaurav, I want to start with you, is that it will be very good if you give me nice pointed questions to the replies and let's not, so that I can ask a few follow-ups as well. So my first question to you is, Azam Khan has said that this incident which has happened is an incident to defame the Samajwadi Party, and he has said that an opposition group is working to defame the Samajwadi Party and come to power, and he has said anything can happen for vote bank politics. Gaurav Bhatia, gang rape does not happen for vote bank politics, and a gang rape, when it happens, cannot be politicized. You can't say it is linked to the UP elections. Today I feel it's very sad that even a gang rape you have linked to the UP elections. इससे निचली स्तर की पॉलिटिक्स तो हमने देखी नहीं है. गैंग रेप हुआ है, आप कह रहे हैं उत्तर प्रदेश इलेक्शन से इसको जोड़ रहे हैं, ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं? प्लीज आंसर एंड वील टेक रिस्पॉन्सेज ऑल्सो. गौरव भाटिया, एंड आई हैव मेनी क्वेश्चंस कमिंग अप. गौरव भाटिया.
First and foremost, let me say this in unequivocal terms that the priority of the state government is to ensure justice, and not just justice, PD justice.
So answer the question, sir. Come to the point.
And yeah, I'm coming to the point. The Chief Minister has spoken on the issue, and please judge us by what the Chief Minister has
Azam Khan has said. Azam Khan has, no. What about what Azam Khan has said? Is he not your motor mouth, very senior minister?
No.
Is he not a representative?
No.
Let's open.
I will reply in one line and no more regarding what Mr. Azam Khan said. Yeah. Mr. Azam Khan made a statement that there could be an angle, but I think we would not be discussing that. There could be an angle means what?
No, 1 second. 1 second. There could be an angle. I want to ask you. I think we are getting responses to this.
I would like to discuss the issue.
Yes. And but you can't. No, but Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, Mr. Bhatia, listen to me. You are guilty of allowing a senior minister in your government to discredit rape victims by saying there could be an angle to the UP elections.
No.
इससे बुरा, इससे निचली स्तर की बात, इससे गिरी हुई बात. नहीं. आप you cannot. No. You Sudhindra Badoria is countering you. I heard Azam Khan. Sudhindra Badoria, counter question. Sudhanshu Trivedi. Sudhindra Badoria. Mr. Badoria.
I think instead of come on, you have spoken. Just let me.
No. Let Sudhindra Badoria.
No. I am not trivializing. I think this is. I think the entire UP has been shamed. Please listen, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia.
Mr. Bhatia, he heard you. Listen to him.
Let me
listen to Sudhindra Badoria. My request.
He has a running.
My request.
Yeah. No, this is very bad. Gaurav. I think the entire UP has been shamed, and I think the Chief Minister himself should hang his head in shame rather than trying to pass the buck through ministers and pointing it out to the other opposition.
Passing the buck,
why don't you accept that you have created? No. Let me complete.
And we are acting.
Please let me complete, Gaurav Bhatia ji. And if you don't want me to speak, if you want to continue speaking,
Gaurav Bhatia, let him counter you in the spirit of a democratic debate. Let him counter you, sir.
This shows the mindset. You see, this is why Mulayam Singh says boys are boys, they can rape and get away. Then they can say, Akhilesh Yadav can say, after all, a journalist, come on, please, you are in power. You are responsible. Don't pass the buck. Don't say that rape took place in Mughal Raj. Don't say rape took place when the Nawab of Awadh was there. Don't say that rape was there for last 70 years. Rape takes place outside. You have brought down
against a 12-year-old child.
The dignity and respect
you were
of
targeting.
all political parties and all leaders because of your arrogance and not accepting the mistake. And let me tell you, people of Uttar Pradesh are going to show you the door, and this time when they show you the door, you shall never raise your head in politics. I am quite sure, and the entire state of UP and the rest of the country,
an act of rape, an act of rape. Azam Khan says, Azam Khan has said, and Sudhanshu Trivedi has to come to the debate, and then I'm opening it up. One second, Sudhanshu, one second. Gaurav Bhatia,
don't do cheap politics over an incident that should be discussed with
Gaurav Bhatia, listen to me. Okay, Sudhanshu Trivedi's opening remarks. Go on.
There has to be a limit for anything. We know that the law and order virtually collapsed during the last 2.5 years, but at this point, at
what
least...
What happened? What do you have to say about Mursal? I would like to ask you.
To put a control over the
Mursal, the first step
only both of them.
Proper investigation is FIR registration.
This is
and in Mursal,
Gaurav, don't speak over him. Gaurav, he listened to you.
Gaurav, let me
Gaurav, he listened to you.
Sentence. You are consistent, please.
Gaurav, he listened to you.
Please do not disturb.
No,
Gaurav, please have patience.
Gaurav, he listened to you.
You should reply.
Gaurav, after him.
Gaurav, I just want to ask to you.
Gaurav, listen to
Mr. Azam Khan, I want to ask a question to you. Is your police was not responding in the control room? Was this an opposition conspiracy? If the police was not picking up phone for 20 minutes on number 100, it was the opposition conspiracy. If the police was passing by and they were not given a proper attention to whatever is happening on the roadside, it is the opposition conspiracy. And if your doctors of your own government have not treated the
Gaurav Bhatia, hear the question, please. Hear the question, Gaurav, please. One second, Gaurav, hear the question.
You should be sensitive enough.
No, Gaurav, you've got to hear the question. Gaurav, listen.
And also,
Gaurav,
this reflects in the entire character of Samajwadi Party. This Azam Khan's statement is not just an isolated event.
I can't do anything.
Now I would like to remind the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Akhilesh Yadav, on the issue of rape when a women journalist had asked him, he said, आपके साथ तो कुछ नहीं हुआ ना, इसका मतलब सब कुछ ठीक है. And you also remember the statement of Mulayam Singh Yadav, who has taken an alibi on the allegation of rape for boys. तो भाई आपकी पार्टी के अध्यक्ष और चीफ मिनिस्टर भी इसी तरीके की असंवेदनशीलता व्यक्त कर चुके हैं जो कि आजम खान ने आज व्यक्त की है.
गौरव सुनिए, गौरव listen, I have a complaint Gaurav with you and please hear me. Gaurav listen, Gaurav, 1 second.
स्टेटमेंट कैसे दिया?
Calm down one minute. Calm down.
चीफ मिनिस्टर इस पे भी नहीं बोलेंगे. The fact of the matter is, Gaurav Bhatia, you cannot dare to ask a question to Azam Khan because of the electoral politics, because of the vote bank politics.
Look at Haryana.
This is the fact.
Madhya Pradesh, which has the highest number of rapes.
So the vote bank politics is not
ask me a question. But
on the side of Azam Khan, it is on the question needed to be answered by Akhilesh Yadav.
Where was Mr. Khattar for 2 weeks? Mr. Khattar did not even speak.
Forget about Mr. Khattar right now. I want an answer.
Why should I?
This type of insensitive statement by Azam Khan, no reaction from your party.
The ladies who are living in Haryana are not entitled.
As far as the BJP is concerned, our government is there at the center. We have sought a report. The Home Ministry has sought a report for the reported negligence of the police. Because as per the rule, you know,
I want to stop you at this stage. I want to, Gaurav, if I may, Gaurav और सुधांशु त्रिवेदी आप दोनों रुक जाइए. मैं कृपया करके आप दोनों को कह रहा हूं कि आप दोनों अपने पे स्पीड ब्रेकर लगा के 2 मिनट के लिए रुक जाइए. मैं आपसे विनती कर रहा हूं. और गौरव भाटिया देखिए, you can go on talking, but I am requesting you to stop for a while. Gaurav, listen. I'll tell you one thing. I'm sincerely...
No, Arnab, can I make one
Gaurav,
point?
no, Gaurav, you have to stop for a while. Gaurav, you have to stop for a while. Genuine complaint. A genuine complaint I'm putting to you. Please listen to me. My genuine issue is at this debate is, right? Please just hear me. See, Gaurav, when you were speaking, Sudhanshu Trivedi didn't interrupt you. When you were speaking, Sudhindra Bhadoria didn't interrupt you. when you were speaking,
because
Vikram Singh and Manju Kak, who are also on the debate, listen to you. I must request you to understand, Gaurav, and I'm saying this to you with absolute sincerity.
And the BJP are trying
no. There is a way of making a point. Gaurav, listen. Gaurav, listen. Gaurav, listen. See, even I'm speaking now. You're speaking over me, and you know, it's not. I don't want to raise my voice, but if you raise your voice, I will. My simple point to here is, and that you listen to each other. It's a very serious issue. It's a sensitive issue. Nobody is perfect. I'm not a personal attack on you. Right? But may I be permitted to say one thing? That Vikram Singh and Manju Kak, I'm listening to this debate, मुझे लग रहा है अच्छा आपके हरियाणा में रेप नहीं होती है, उत्तर प्रदेश में भी रेप होती है. तो आज जो मैं डिबेट देख रहा हूँ, सुनिए मेरी बात, गौरव भाटिया मेरे को खत्म करने दीजिए. दो और पैनलिस्ट ने कुछ बोला नहीं है, सेंसिटिव मामला है, सुन लीजिए. मुझे प्रॉब्लम है मंजू का कि आज हो गया आपका रेप, मेरा रेप, आपके स्टेट में रेप, मेरे स्टेट वर्सेस मेरे स्टेट में रेप, मेरे रेप का कवर अप वर्सेस आपके रेप का कवर अप, मेरे रेप पर इनएक्शन वर्सेस आपके रेप पर इनएक्शन, मेरे स्टेट पे सेक्सुअल असॉल्ट वर्सेस योर स्टेट सेक्सुअल असॉल्ट. यानी कि वी आर इवन यूजिंग रेप टू जस्ट फाइट पॉलिटिकल बैटल्स. मंजू काक, दैट्स अ सैड थिंग ऑन दिस कंट्री. दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंस 3 years after Nirbhaya. Is that well? Yeah, Manju Kak.
Yeah, well, I don't know, but it shames me at the level of this debate by people in politics. It seems as if the only thing that matters is winning, scoring brownie points for their political party. There is not a sense of shame or a sense of regret of what happened to those two women.
Yeah.
And nobody articulates that. They only say, my chief minister did this and my DG did this. What the hell did your chief minister and DG do? They strut around in cars with beacons and 200 policemen descend on that, and they haven't caught the perpetrators of the crime? What was the point in 200 people coming there and no result, no action? Believe you me, जब चौकियां बिकेंगी, जब पुलिसमैन पेरोल में होंगे पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज के, उनका भय और ड्यूटी कहां जाएगा? वो क्यों 100 नंबर का कॉल पिकअप करेंगे? They are in direct communication with whoever the local neta is whom they've brought into power, and they have been put into those posts not because of any qualification, but because they are another ex-relative of another ex-neta. This is our police force. They are a criminal bunch.
And
they are controlled by another criminal bunch.
No, the point is, the point is, Gaurav,
they argue on television.
Gaurav, see.
It's a shame in this country, and I urge 50% women to exercise their vote against the whole lot of these people.
Make
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, an apology, a visit to those people, catching those 7-8 people would have won our admiration.
No, you see, Gaurav, 1 minute. Gaurav, let her speak. Let her speak today. Let Vikram Singh speak, and for a while just listen, because, you know, across India,
you sell the government posts.
No, Gaurav, listen. This is a citizen speaking. A 36-year-old lady and a 14-year-old daughter are raped and assaulted 600 meters, Vikram Singh, 600 meters from a police station. For 3 hours, the family is attacked and beaten. These women are gang raped, pulled out of their cars at gunpoint, and mother and daughter are raped there. If this is not open lawlessness, and a minister comes out and says this is linked to the UP election, I mean, I don't know. You take a blunt object, stop a car, drag individuals out, loot them, rape them, leave them there, and go off on the loose, and 72 hours later, we have the perpetrators on the run. Believe me, I think the entire state government should hang its head in shame. और सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, सवाल तो ये है कि आजकल मुझे लगता है कि ये सब इश्यूज ही नहीं आप लोगों के लिए. आप लोग डिस्कस करते रहते हैं कि नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू इधर आएगा कि वहाँ जाएगा, मगर खट्टर जी कुछ नहीं बोलते हैं. जब आज तक वुमन हुज बीन रेप्ड फॉर अ सेकंड टाइम बाय 5 men, because you can't take on the lobby that has raped her, you let that lobby also go, which means in this country, and she is right, Manju Kak, all women can be prey at any time. Any woman can be a prey to any rapist, and the whole system will stand and do nothing. Today, if it had been powerful, connected people, right, who had gone through this, I'm telling you the system would have woken up. But because it's another citizen of the country, भाई करिए politics कीजिए इस पे विक्रम सिंह, हाँ? करते रहिए.
Absolutely right, Arnab. These sweeping generalizations and wild allegations do not do any service to anyone. They do not cover anybody with glory. And presuming that political forces are behind this dastardly crime, you are in power, you have the police under you, you jolly well ask the police to get after the jugular of every criminal or the sponsors of this crime, whether the politicians, hardcore criminals, policemen mixed up with the bandits, go after them. But this is the UP police, which at one point of time got the number 2 of the Al-Qaeda. Today it is so helpless that it is unable to get hold of the Bawarias.
But Vikram Singh
perpetrate this crime,
Vikram Singh, Vikram Singh, can I ask you, Vikram Singh, I feel here, Gaurav, and don't take it personally, but when the chief of a political party says, boys will be boys, they will occasionally rape, these rapists who have done this act of raping a mother and daughter would know, you think they don't know? That, you know, Mulayam Singh Yadav says boys will be boys. Mulayam Singh Yadav खुद कहते हैं boys will be boys. They can occasionally rape. जब ऐसे comment आते हैं नहीं, and on top of it, Gaurav, listen, factually पूछ रहा हूँ आपको. 6 patrolling vehicles, none of them caught this. As per reports, the entire ordeal in the field near National Highway 91 was going on for 3 hours. Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, instead of shouting and screaming, please tell me. The DIG from Meerut, Lakshmi Singh, told Times Now yesterday that 6 patrolling vehicles are on duty that night. How could a gang rape go on for 3 hours when there are 6 patrolling vehicles deployed to ensure the safety and security around the area of National Highway 91? If the patrolling vehicles did their job, the crime could have been averted. But the patrolling vehicles were not doing their job.
Can I respond, Arnab?
Yes, I have many answers factually on these points. Yeah.
I will. First of all, to ma'am, I would say that, you know, such an incident put all of us to shame. And it is the foremost responsibility of the state government to ensure the safety of every citizen. I have already answered the Azam Khan.
No, why don't you take some action on Azam Khan? No, why don't you take some action on Azam Khan? He can't get away with this. You see, you think, no, one second. A mother and daughter have been raped. I'm sorry, Gaurav. A mother and daughter have been raped. A politician says it's politics. How will they feel? How will the family feel? How will all the rape victims feel? How will women feel? How will women feel? And इसको आप छोड़ क्यों देते हैं इस आजम खान को? भाई आजम खान है कौन? उससे उसको आप उसको टेक ऑन क्यों नहीं करते? आप इतने आप आजम खान के खिलाफ कुछ एक्शन क्यों नहीं लेते?
Discuss the issue.
No, I'm discussing the issue. ये issue ही तो discuss कर रहा हूँ मैं.
The issue
क्या है?
What action have we taken?
No. The issue is what action have we taken on Azam? Manjuka, are you satisfied with the reply? Do you think he's obfuscating the answer? Manjuka, is he answering? Manjuka, is he answering? Manjuka, is he answering?
To help the
no, you want to list out your achievements. You want to list out your achievements. You want to list out your achievements.
Which I want to highlight.
No,
we have arrested 3 people. You are aware of that.
Listen,
there are 15 teams who are also looking for other accused persons.
Where are the others?
Do you know what it costs the state to say?
Listen to Manjuka. Gaurav, don't speak over her. Gaurav, don't speak over her. Let her listen to her. Listen to Manjuka, Gaurav. Listen to Manjuka. Go on, Manjuka.
मैं कह रही हूँ ड्रामा जो आप कर रहे हैं कि वहाँ डीजी पहुंचे उनके साथ 200 और कांस्टेबल्स गए. सुन लीजिए मेरी बात, सुन लीजिए. टीवी पे एक डीजी वहां उतरे, 200 लोग उनके साथ उतरे और पूरी छानबीन हुई और कोई अभी तक वो 7-8 आदमी पकड़े नहीं गए हैं. हाउ मच इट इज कॉस्टिंग द टैक्स पेयर विद नो रिजल्ट?
मैम, कैन आई रिस्पॉन्ड?
कैन यू इमेजिन दिस हैपनिंग इन द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स? And can you believe what cars the DGs and the police officers of Uttar Pradesh go around in? What कोठीज they build? Constables हैं, उनके पास 6-6 कोठियां हैं, 6-6 गाड़ियां हैं. इलीगली प्राइवेट लोगों की सिक्योरिटी करते हैं और दुनिया भर का गड़बड़ चल रहा है और एक चौकी बिकती है, हफ्ता सब लेते हैं.
Well said.
और 1-2 औरतों की सुरक्षा नहीं हो पाती है और सुरक्षा के लिए डीजी हैज टू कम टू द मैदान विद 200 fellows.
Drama.
Would this have happened in 1950? Would this have happened in 1960? Shame on you.
Can I respond to that, please, ma'am? May I, ma'am? Ma'am, first of all, let me just say this, that 3 arrests have been made. And on Times Now itself,
what arrest?
What arrest?
That more
what arrest?
follow.
No. आप you are repeating the point.
तीन सबसे कमजोर कड़ी
Please listen to me.
जो 10-8 बिल्कुल डकैत हैं, उनको आप टच नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि उनसे आप पैसा लेते हैं, उनको आप इलेक्शन में उपयोग करते हैं।
बिल्कुल बोलने दीजिए। मंजू काक बोलिए मंजू काक बोलिए।
आपका जो दर्द है वो हमारा भी दर्द है मैम। ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आप पॉलिटिक्स में हैं
कहीं नहीं
तो
है। आप 6 सरकारी गाड़ी में जाते हैं, आपको सरकार पेट्रोल भरती है, मैं अपना पेट्रोल भरती हूँ
मैम।
आपके कोई दर्द नहीं है, आप मेरे पैसे पे पनप रहे हैं
और प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी होम वहां गए
गलत काम पे पनप रहे हैं।
गए कि क्या किया जा सकता है जिससे जल्द से जल्द इस फैमिली को जस्टिस मिले।
उसकी कोई जरूरत थी? एक डीजी को फोन उठाना चाहिए और कहना चाहिए 7 आदमी जेल में होने चाहिए, दैट्स ऑल।
जरूरत
The rest is dramatics.
होती है।
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, Manju Kaak, Gaurav Bhatia, wait a minute. No, Gaurav Bhatia.
And I will come on Times Now and say, हाथ जोड़ के कहती हूँ ऐसी सरकार दोबारा मत लाइए।
Ma'am, I want to tell you that we have done whatever we can.
What do you mean whatever you can? No, you have not done. You are just repeating yourself, Gaurav. Gaurav, you are no. One second. No, Manju Kaak. No. Watch it. Gaurav, listen. Listen to me. Listen to Gaurav. No, Gaurav, listen to her today. And by the way, you know what? We have two options. Either you can go on and on. No, you are not listening to her. And I'm sorry, I'm going to have to stop you at this point because you're not showing respect to what Manju Kaak is saying. Manju Kaak is speaking for a lot of people
I
tonight.
respect her a lot.
And Manju Kaak, if I may take up further, अगर facts देखा जाए, Sudhanshu Trivedi can come in and Vikram Singh and Sudhindra Bhadoria. I just want to make a couple of points. You see, ये जो लोग हैं ना गौरव, आप 2 मिनट सुनिए। अब लोग बेवकूफ़ नहीं हैं, लोग उजागर हो चुके हैं, लोग जानते हैं। जो DIG है is trying to build a narrative on Times Now saying the crime did not happen on the national highway, therefore it is not possible for patrolling vehicles to stop it. Mr. Bhatia, a field 50 meters from National Highway 91 in Bulandshahr, it does not belong to Uttar Pradesh. Because it's a field 50 meters from the National Highway, it does not come under the jurisdiction of your law and order officers. Yesterday she admitted 6 patrolling vehicles were on duty and defended the law and... No, listen. I'm just giving you some thoughts. The problem is you got to listen, okay? You got to listen to me. You got to listen to Manju Kaak. Just listen.
I've been listening to you, Arda.
So the issue is, one second, Gaurav, listen here. Have patience. Mr. Bhatia, is there or is there not a police outpost 600 meters from the incident of the crime? If there is a police outpost 600 meters away from where this gang rape occurred, what exactly is a police outpost in a place for if 6 or 7 rapists can stop a vehicle, drag its travelers out physically, tie up some of them and gang rape a mother and daughter? Mother and daughter gang rape. So in Uttar Pradesh, after a 2-hour ordeal of attacking, gang raping and looting does not wake up a police station. Is it true or not that the closest police station is just 4 kilometers away from the scene of the crime? Nobody either from the
Why do you think the SSP and the SP city and other police officers have been suspended? They have been suspended.
The suspension is not the issue, for God's sake. God's sake, it is India's largest state as a state machinery has no qualms about having gang rapists on the loose.
If they are at fault, they have to be punished.
A criminal is on the loose. Who's at fault? 3 hours. 3 hours. A mother and daughter gang rape. 3 hours. Sudhanshu Trivedi is on the debate. Sudhindra Bhadoria is on the debate. Sudhindra Bhadoria.
Taken them on remand, recovered the kattas, recovered other implements of crime.
One of you at a time.
Akhilesh Yadav as Chief Minister. I think it is a shameful thing to defend your Chief Minister today. I think you should not defend your Chief Minister today because the Akhilesh Yadav has not only lowered the image of the party but entire people of UP instead of accepting and hanging your head in shame and that of your government. Please don't pass the buck. 1912 में हुआ था, 1911 में हुआ था और मुगल राज में हुआ था और नवाब अवध के समय में हुआ था और नारायण दत्त तिवारी के समय में हुआ था और आप तो पूरे हिंदुस्तान में बलात्कार हो रहे हैं और हिंदुस्तान के बाहर भी हो रहे हैं। इसलिए अखिलेश यादव के राज में अगर होगा तो इसमें कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है। आपको अपना शर्म शर्म से सिर झुका लेना चाहिए और आज के दिन कम से कम आप अपना सर शर्म से झुकाइए और कहिए कि हमसे गलती हुई है, हमको माफ किया जाए। आप तो गलती भी नहीं मानते हैं। शर्म की बात है आपके लिए, आपकी सरकार के लिए, आपके मुख्यमंत्री के लिए, आपके मुलायम सिंह यादव के लिए, सबके लिए शर्म की बात है।
आज मैं सवाल पूछ रहा हूं, आज सवाल पूछ रहा हूं। गौरव भाटिया रुक जाइए 1 मिनट, मेरे एक सवाल का जवाब दीजिए, एक सवाल का जवाब दीजिए, एक सवाल गौरव भाटिया, एक सवाल नहीं आया, एक सवाल का जवाब दीजिए। आज जवाब पूछ रहा हूं आपसे, आप पूछिए, आप जवाब दीजिए, आप जवाब दीजिए। गौरव भाटिया जवाब दीजिए, आप जवाब दीजिए। आई एम आस्किंग यू अ क्वेश्चन एंड माय क्वेश्चन टू यू इज,
हाउ कैन ही टॉक अबाउट
my question to you is,
of a woman, what was done to Miss Swati
my question to you is,
Now I want to ask you a question.
my question to you
is a dignity not important?
no, my question to you is, my question to you is,
this is what BSP is like. Full on your part. I did not accept this from you, that you will be defending rape today. You will be politics. You will be advocating for rape today. Whether it is in my Raj or your Raj, it does not matter. Rape is a rape. You should accept and hang your head in shame.
the question is to Gaurav Bhatia. Gaurav, I have a question for you. Gaurav, the question is for you.
And don't do
Gaurav,
Now
there
I
is a
want to ask
question
a
for you.
question to Gaurav Bhatia.
No, 1 second. Before you ask a question, I want to ask a question to Gaurav Bhatia. No.
There are two technical points.
No. Sudhanshu Trivedi, एक सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ मैं, मुझे पूछने दीजिए.
I will ask you substantial points later.
Now here's a question.
Not technical.
Gaurav, you should take the question. Gaurav, you should take the question. No, one sec. But before any of you ask a question, I want to ask you a simple question. The point is this. This incident of gang rape happened between 1:15 in the morning and 4:15 in the morning on 30th of last month, which means it lasted for 3 hours. Gaurav Bhatia, if a VVIP or a minister or Azam Khan has to call the police, he will not call 100, right? Because you have the access to the policemen. As has rightly been said, you will call the DGP, DIG, सब हाजिर हो जाएंगे आपके लिए, right? Manjuka, am I wrong? If Azam Khan has to make a complaint, वो 100 थोड़ी डायल करेंगे. मगर इस केस में the victims, they kept dialing 100, right? And the call went unanswered. इससे एक ही बात रिफ्लेक्ट होती है कि ये जो बड़े बड़े नेतागण हैं उनको तो 100 दबाने की ज़रूरत नहीं. अरे एक फ़ोन कॉल करेंगे, सारा पुलिस फोर्स हाजिर हो जाएगा. अरे इनके भैंस गुम जाते हैं, उसके लिए सारा पुलिस फोर्स हाजिर हो जाता है.
नहीं अर्णव, ये सेम मिनिस्टर है
और 100 नंबर तो आम आदमी डायल करेंगे, इसलिए 100 नंबर को उठाता नहीं है.
जवाब दूंगा,
आप जवाब दीजिए. आपसे सवाल सिर्फ एक है, ये 100 नंबर 100 हेल्पलाइन नंबर को उठाया क्यों नहीं गया? Why was the number 100 left undialed when it was dialed? Why was it going unanswered? You tell me what safety and security can provide to the people when they don't pay, the police does not pick up the phone call number 100? Manjukak, is that not a valid question?
Arnav.
Is that no? One second. Will Azam Khan dial 100? No. An ordinary citizen will dial 100. Will Akhilesh Yadav dial 100? No. An ordinary citizen will dial 100. Will Gaurav Bhatia dial 100? No. An ordinary citizen will dial 100. That's why you don't care.
Can I respond?
That's why you don't care. Why? No, आप ये respond कीजिए. 100 क्यों पिकअप नहीं किया गया? फोन क्यों नहीं उठाते? पुलिसमैन फोन क्यों नहीं उठाते?
ऊपर से नीचे भ्रष्टाचार है. आप क्या रिस्पॉन्ड करेंगे?
Can I respond?
Manjukak,
to me? Listen to me.
Manjukak.
It's Gaurav. You know, and I know. We have grown up in it. I've grown up in Lucknow. I've been a college student in Lucknow, and I could dial 100 then. And I know today I would dread to do it. मैं बहराइच की हूँ. I am not from Delhi. And I know what has happened to your state. It is built on lies, bhrashtachar, and total disregard for the common man.
Yeah.
And you should be ashamed because you are educated people. No, stop it.
I share your pain.
You should be
and I share your concern, ma'am.
Because आपने हमारी मिट्टी को, हमारे देश को इतना खराब कर दिया है कि हम लोग दिल्ली में आके कीड़ों की तरह बसे हैं. हम वापस उत्तर प्रदेश जा ही नहीं सकते.
मैम,
मैम क्राइम पूरे इंडिया में होता है एंड यस इम्प्रूवमेंट नीड्स टू बी देयर इवन इन यूपी बट दैट डजंट मीन दैट यू ओनली टारगेट द स्टेट ऑफ यूपी मैम विद utmost respect it happens in Delhi
तो आप अपने घर में रेप कराएंगे
मैम I don't want to get into that
मंत्री
I don't want but I can tell you
ले जाएंगे
हमारी प्रायोरिटी यही है हमारी प्रायोरिटी यही है कि उनको जस्टिस मिले जल्द से जल्द मिले फॉर दैट वी विल एक्सपेडाइट द इन्वेस्टिगेशन एंड द ट्रायल
उतर जाएं
एंड आगे ऐसा कभी भी नहीं हो
स्कूटर पे जाके लखनऊ घूमिए और फिर आपको पता चलेगा कि इस देश में क्या है अपनी एयर कंडीशन गाड़ियां
मैम ये मैं लखनऊ भी जाता हूँ और मैं वहाँ पे पैदल भी चलता हूँ
और 600 नौकर
मैम ये देखिए अगर आप डिबेट को नैरो करके केवल उत्तर प्रदेश पे क्लाइम
स्ट्रीट्स which we can walk without fear. Give us the azadi we and our parents.
I promise you, there will be that day.
Raped this country
I promise you, ma'am, there will be that day.
There will be no.
Because I'm genuinely saying, speaking for the government.
हर नेता के पास 100 करोड़ है, कहाँ से आ रहा है पैसा?
मैम हर नेता हर ब्यूरोक्रेट बुरा नहीं है हर कोई बुरा नहीं है मैम हर पुलिस ऑफिसर बुरा नहीं है
100 नंबर क्यों नहीं उठाया ये सवाल का जवाब तो दे नहीं अगर मंजू जी सवाल तो ये है सवाल तो इसकी केंद्र बिंदु सवाल की सिर्फ एक है नहीं सुधांशु त्रिवेदी वांट्स टू कमेंट सुधांशु त्रिवेदी वांट्स विक्रम सिंह कमिंग टू आफ्टर सुधांशु सवाल
उत्तर प्रदेश should not be isolated but I just want to ask one question you know in the last 4 years 12 policemen have been killed by the mob and the criminals.
You want
is
to
there
know,
any other state in India?
Sudhanshu ji, let me share some data. The highest rapes take place in Madhya
Let him speak. Respond to him after he finishes.
Let us not be non-serious about
that
the issue. I can talk about Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Goa and Chhattisgarh. They have higher crime rate, higher crime against women. Should I be talking about that?
One at a time. नहीं आप दोनों चुप करें. One at a time. एक बोले एक समय में एक समय में नहीं गौरव गौरव या आप चुप करें या दोनों तरफ अच्छा 1 2 3 स्टॉप बोथ साइड स्टॉप द डिबेट 1 सेकंड स्टॉप द डिबेट सुधांशु त्रिवेदी 1 मिनट रुक जाइए सुधांशु त्रिवेदी रुक जाइए दोनों तरफ रुक जाइए मैं रोक रहा हूं डिबेट मैं रोक रहा हूं सिर्फ मैं बोलूंगा अभी आप मेरी बात सुनिए मैं सिर्फ बोलूंगा सुधांशु त्रिवेदी और गौरव भाटिया आप दोनों रुक जाइए और मैं कह रहा हूं कि मैं 30 सेकंड दूंगा दोनों साइड को एक दूसरे को रिस्पॉन्ड करने के लिए पहला 30 सेकंड अभी सुधांशु त्रिवेदी का शुरू होगा उसके बाद 30 सेकंड गौरव भाटिया का होगा डेमोक्रेटिकली डिबेट कीजिए एक दूसरे के ऊपर को बोल के कोई फायदा नहीं है पहले पॉइंट रखेंगे सुधांशु त्रिवेदी गौरव भाटिया सुनिए जितना आक्रामक होने चाहिए होइए मगर एक दूसरे के ऊपर नहीं सुधांशु त्रिवेदी मेक योर पॉइंट आपके 30 सेकंड आप बोलिए
मैं केवल एक लाइन में कह रहा हूं द बेसिक प्रॉब्लम इज so many attacks on policemen second thing Vikram Singh ji ne kaha the UP police was such a strong organization such a professional organization why this is the problem because in this Samajwadi Party government when there is a crime you see the community of the criminal and then take action you see the religion of the criminal then take action and moreover you know more than 60% of the SHOs in Uttar Pradesh are from one caste one community and that too from 2 or 3 districts which belong to the first family this is the basic cause that's why the entire police system and law and order has crippled can Gaurav Bhatia argue that more than 50% of the SHOs are from one caste can he argue that his government does not take an action first they see the religion
time up
the reason of the Muzaffarnagar
time up which is Sudhanshu Trivedi time up
there was an infringement
no Sudhanshu Trivedi time up Sudhanshu time up
सब देखो तब एक्शन लो और
Sudhanshu time up now Gaurav Bhatia's turn to respond 1 second answer specifically no specific speeches being made you must answer each of the points Gaurav Bhatia that Sudhanshu Trivedi has raised respond and no 1 second before you respond to him it's only fair that you tell me today 100 number was not picked up. Please say why and then respond to it. And give me a one-line reply. Why was the number 100 not picked up?
Now,
is it true that it's because politicians don't use the number 100? Go on.
Allow me now. Yeah. First of all, Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, don't trivialize the debate. Madhya Pradesh has 4 times the crime against women. Chhattisgarh has 3
1
times.
second.
And
Sudhindra Bhadoria, उनके बाद नहीं सुधांशु, उनके बाद ये खत्म करें उसके बाद.
FIR was not please Arnab, FIR was not registered in Murtal. I am saying with utmost responsibility, we will ensure justice to the victim.
I would like to make
more people will be arrested, and after that charge sheet will be filed, and it would be our endeavor that within 6 months the trial is completed and these people are convicted. This is my answer to you, Sudhanshu ji. I will not get into telling you the faults in your state. We will get justice to these victims. We will try 6 months. The trial gets completed.
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, once, Gaurav Bhatia, listen.
I am not saying that the crime is not happening anywhere in India. I want to ask, what is the sensitivity? The statement of a minister and the data which I have given
about the
caste and community which is being included in your police operation. You are the party who has said that in the police forces you will try to have a criminal investigation
take place.
You have
not answered on Murtal
and paralyzed the professional expertise of the police forces.
Targeted in Murtal.
Counter.
And they have not. They are still waiting for justice.
Okay.
They have not received justice. Why don't
Sudhindra Bhadoria is on the debate. Sudhindra Bhadoria on the other side. Sudhindra Bhadoria.
जो आपके आजम खान ने दिया है.
अच्छा एक मिनट. Sudhindra Bhadoria. Sudhanshu now come down and Sudhindra Bhadoria. Sudhanshu 2 मिनट रुक जाइए. Sudhindra Bhadoria बोल.
I'm not Gaurav Bhatia, just listen, one line statement. Why are you trying to compete on race with Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan? Why don't you say that we have made a mistake? They will be pulled up by the people of Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. You are responsible for UP. You have the government there. And yet you are trying to defend by pointing out to the rapes of the past and the rapes have taken place in Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Haryana. The entire country will punish them. But why are you defending the rape of Bulandshahr and the rest of the places in UP?
A charge sheet will be filed.
You have not said. You have been trying to defend rape, and that is a shameful
thing. You don't
thing.
want to hear the commitment that we are making. The UP government is acting promptly and effectively.
Sudhanshu, Gaurav Bhatia,
police officers
आज सर्टिफिकेट मत दीजिए. आज गौरव भाटिया, विनती करता हूँ आपसे. विनती करता हूँ. विक्रम सिंह, मैंने आपका हाथ देखा. मैं आ रहा हूँ.
मानूंगा भी.
नहीं वहाँ से विनती कर रहा हूँ. आज जरा 2 मिनट मेरी बात सुनिए. विनती कर रहा हूँ. आज आप ना ये जनरल वाले रिस्पांस मत दीजिए और दूसरे अपने आप को सर्टिफिकेट मत दीजिए. कारण उसका ये है that this incident, सुनिए कारण ये है. देखिए मैं तो जर्नलिस्ट हूँ.
कर सकते और अभी तक क्या किया है.
अच्छा ठीक है, मैं आपको बताता हूँ आपने क्या किया. आप जरा सुने. अगर थोड़ा आपसे मैं बहुत ही विनम्र रिक्वेस्ट है, आप थोड़ा सुन लीजिए. आप कुछ बुरा नहीं होगा. आपकी सेहत नहीं खराब हो जाएगी आज अगर आप मेरी बात 30 सेकंड के लिए सुन लें. मैं सिर्फ ये कह रहा हूँ. मैं सिर्फ विक्रम सिंह पुलिस अफसर है. सुधांशु त्रिवेदी भी पुलिस अफसर नहीं है और सुधींद्र भदौरिया भी नहीं है. ना मंजू काक है. प्रोफेशनल है विक्रम सिंह. ठीक है, तो सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जरा मेरी बात सुनिए. दिस इंसिडेंट केम टू द लाइट ऑफ द पुलिस एट अप्रोक्सीमेटली 5:30 AM on Sunday. That is 63 hours ago, right, Vikram Singh?
Absolutely.
The FIR has that there were about 6 perpetrators of the crime, 6 part members here. First question, why have only 3 of them been arrested so far? Question number 2 is, 24 hours ago, Vikram Singh, Akhilesh Yadav issued a deadline of 24 hours to his law and order officers to nab the accused. एक दिन हो गया. They have failed. Apart from generic transfers of cops and sacking them, what has Akhilesh Yadav done to ensure justice to these 2 women who have been raped? And one of them is a 14-year-old child, for God's sake.
What about the
14-year-old child?
And we are more
that child will relive what she's been through all her life.
About that child.
And your Azam Khan dares to say that this is political. I'm sorry.
We are able to share the pain of that child.
I'm sorry.
Don't shout.
I'm sorry. The fact of the matter is now, Gaurav, I'm not shouting. Gaurav, listen. The fact of the matter is that aside from being in a Gaurav, if I open the phone lines now, the people of India will shout at you. The fact of the matter is that you are not being able to answer me factually, because aside from being in a deep state of deep slumber,
you give me, I will
okay. So here's a question, and viewers, please see. Viewers,
I have two questions.
Viewers, okay. The police officer has a question. Go on. Go ahead, Vikram Singh.
Arnav, I have just two questions.
Go on. Ask him.
Bhatia, you are a seasoned advocate. Apart from the fact that don't you find it is very unusual not to take the accused on police custody remand, to question them more thoroughly, put them across to the narco analysis and the lie detector and the polygraph tests? We should have made more sincere attempts to recover the kattas and other instruments of crime, question them on the complicity of the local police officers, whether they were in the payroll, they were paid to look the other way, because I strongly suspect that the fact that you have 6 patrol cars and not one of them intervenes, that seems to be indicative. I would not like to believe their complicity in the crime. But if my observations are correct, the conclusions will not be very different. Why were they not taken on police remand? Why were they not interrogated by senior officers and subjected to polygraph and lie detector test?
Not just that. If I can ask to that, if I can answer, add to that, the police did not cordon off the scene of crime. The police did not cordon off the scene of crime, and instead it was local villagers who were physically helping the police collect evidence. I mean, there is no bigger botch-up than this. This kind of botch-up happens when basically the politician thinks, when the politicians thinks, what is not a problem in our country is, I'll just take 20 seconds and then you respond. I must have be given 20 seconds to make my point, and then you see. See, problem, Gaurav, in this country has been that this country's politicians have felt that till something does not affect them, it does not matter. Second thing is, what is the big deal for Azam Khan? A mother and daughter have been gang raped. It's the kind of news story that should go in page 14, single column in a newspaper, hidden away somewhere. अरे नेता को क्या फर्क पड़ती है लोगों के साथ ऐसे 100 नंबर नहीं हो, मदर डॉटर पे असॉल्ट, वो 14 साल की बच्ची, वो जिंदगी भर उस पे जो ट्रॉमा हुई है, उससे आजम खान को क्या फर्क पड़ता है? आजम खान यूपी इलेक्शन में बस बोल देंगे ये सब पॉलिटिकल है। अरे अब क्या पॉलिटिकल है? और मंजू का ठीक बोल रही हैं, देश के सारे देश के सारे सिटीजन्स आके आजम खान को पूछेंगे भाई आप कैसे आदमी हैं? इस तरह का स्टेटमेंट करते हैं। पार्टी नेता बोलते हैं रेप विल बी रेप, और आजम खान बोलते हैं कि गैंगरेप पॉलिटिकल है। कोई पॉलिटिकल कराता है अपना गैंगरेप? कैसी बात कर रहे हैं आप? आपको तो अपॉलॉजी देनी चाहिए आज टेलीविजन पर, गौरव भाटिया, या निकाल दीजिए आप आजम खान को अपने पार्टी से, निकाल दीजिए आज निकाल दीजिए ऐसे आदमी को अपने पार्टी। ऐसे आदमी को तो पॉलिटिक्स क्या, पब्लिक लाइफ में नहीं होना चाहिए। शर्म आनी चाहिए मंजू का ऐसे आदमी को जो 14 साल की बच्ची के साथ गैंगरेप हुआ है अपने मां के सामने और दोनों के साथ, और वो कह रहे हैं पॉलिटिकल है। क्यों छोड़ दें हम? नहीं, हम क्यों छोड़ दें? हम क्यों छोड़ दें ऐसी बातें? हम क्यों छोड़ दें गौरव भाटिया? आप बताइए, क्यों छोड़ दें?
आप मौका देंगे तब।
अरे भाई बताइए, आप आजम खान के खिलाफ क्या कार्रवाई करेंगे? आप बताइए। मैं पूछ रहा हूं आपको, मैं पूछ रहा हूं, दर्शक पूछ रहा है, सारी जनता पूछ रही है आपको।
आप किस चीज की समाजवादी पार्टी हैं? कौन सा समाज आप देख रहे हैं? कौन सा नजर है? व्हाट इज योर विजन? नाम ही आपने लगा दिया समाजवादी, दैट इज ऑल, इज जस्ट अ नेम। Is this what your Mulayam Singh Yadav has reduced Indian politics to?
God, really, God.
Ashamed. आप क्या किसी दिन आप अपने भगवान को नहीं मुंह से देखेंगे?
नहीं मैम, आप ऐसा क्यों सोचती हैं कि समाजवादी पार्टी में
आप निकाल दीजिए ना आजम खान को
समाज? आप किस समाज की रक्षा कर रहे हैं?
कभी है,
आप किस समाज की रक्षा कर रहे हैं? आपके यहाँ कोई साइकिल वाला है? सब इंपोर्टेड गाड़ियों में घूम रहे हैं।
आप ये बताइए,
और कौन सी समाज?
नहीं मैम,
ऐसे आप क्यों झूठ के नाम अपने पे लगाते हैं?
में अपनी आस्था व्यक्त करते हैं, तो हमने अच्छा काम भी किया होगा।
पार्टी ऑफ
और अगर कुछ गलत हुआ है तो उसको सुधार भी हम ही करेंगे।
जीतना,
मैं ये भी आपसे आश्वासन देता हूँ,
इलेक्शन जीतना ऐसा नहीं है मैम। अच्छे काम अच्छे लोगों की बात है।
अब मैम मेरी भी बात सुन लीजिए, आपकी मैंने बहुत बात ध्यान से सुनी, मेरी बात सुन लीजिए मैम, रिक्वेस्ट है आपसे, रिक्वेस्ट है मेरी आपसे, मेरी ये रिक्वेस्ट है कि एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी या नेता एक पहले इंडियन भी होता है। अगर किसी लेडी के या बच्ची के साथ ऐसा होता है तो दर्द हमें भी होता है। हाँ, ये बात सही है कि कुछ कमियां रही हैं, लेकिन उसको हम लोग सही भी करेंगे।
आजम खान ने उसको पॉलिटिक्स बताया। आप बताइए, आप आज बताइए, आजम खान ने कहा कि उस बच्ची के साथ जो हुआ वो पॉलिटिकल है, आप क्या बोल रहे हैं?
जो अखिलेश यादव जी ने कहा वो आप
आजम नहीं ठीक है, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ आजम खान को क्या पनिशमेंट मिलेगी? आजम खान को क्या पनिशमेंट मिलेगी
कि जस्टिस होगा?
नहीं, आजम खान नहीं, सुधांशु त्रिवेदी और सुधींद्र भदौरिया नहीं, आजम खान पर क्या पनिशमेंट?
अर्नब, आप सेलेक्टिवली चीजों को उठा के डिस्कस करना
ओके, सुधांशु त्रिवेदी इज ऑन द डिबेट एंड देन
मुख्यमंत्री जो बात कहता है वो भी बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है।
क्या है?
उसी को आप ध्यान दीजिए। जो मुख्यमंत्री
समाजवादी गवर्नमेंट इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट,
मिस्टर भदौरिया नॉट अगेन, प्लीज
गौरव भाटिया जी, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ कि आपके मुख्यमंत्री ये हिम्मत करेंगे बोलने की कि वो ऑन रिकॉर्ड कह सकें कि आजम खान जो बोल रहे हैं उस पे ध्यान मत दीजिए?
आप तो हिम्मत कोई नहीं कर सकता।
Can your chief minister dare to say on record that whatever Azam Khan said, don't pay attention to this?
और आपके एमपीज ने खुद रेप किया।
He has to succumb to pressure of Azam Khan.
पर आप हमको धमका रहे हैं, टेलीविजन पर आप धमकी देते हैं। समाजवादी पार्टी के आप नुमाइंदे होने के नाते धमकी देते हैं। आपकी ये गीदड़ धमकी हम नहीं डरने वाले, न उत्तर प्रदेश की जनता डरने वाली है। आपको आप धमकाना चाहते हैं इस टेलीविजन डिबेट पर। मैं आप ये नहीं, अगर आप सम्मान करते हैं कि धमका रहे हैं, आप धमका रहे हैं, आप धमका रहे हैं। इससे मतलब ये है कि हम उत्तर प्रदेश में बलात्कार होगा और होता रहेगा जब तक समाजवादी पार्टी रहेगी। यही आपका संदेश आ रहा है आज की बहस से। आपके इस बहस से ये आपने इसकी बहस से ये साबित किया है कि आप चाहे कोई सरकार हो, हम हमारी परवाह नहीं है। हमारे पास सारी महिलाएं बराबर है, सबका सम्मान बराबर है। जब मायावती जी खुद
सुधांशु त्रिवेदी
महिला के लिए तब क्या होता है?
अरे छोड़िए ना, आपके लिए कोई महिला बराबर नहीं है। आपके मुलायम सिंह जी हर महिला के खिलाफ है। वो तो बोलते हैं कि लड़के लड़के हैं। हम बल्कि उन्होंने कहा कि हम निर्भया कानून को बदलेंगे। मुलायम
सुधांशु त्रिवेदी,
तो हम निर्भया कानून को बदलेंगे
और उनको हम लोग जस्टिस।
सुधांशु त्रिवेदी,
आपने कहा कि हम निर्भया कानून को बदलेंगे, आपको शर्म से डूब जाना चाहिए। आपने कहा हम निर्भया कानून को बदलेंगे, हम सत्ता में आएंगे। आप भूल गए मुलायम सिंह जी के उस बयान को?
निर्भया कानून में समाजवादी पार्टी ने सपोर्ट किया अमेंडमेंट को।
I just want to urge to UP government that if they are serious, they should give a proper reply to the queries asked by the Union Home Ministry and the National Commission for Women. Then they can prove their point that whatever was there, but I don't expect any sensitivity from UP government, क्योंकि यूपी की बात मैं एक लाइन में कहना चाहूंगा अर्नव कि आज यूपी में हालात ये है कि यूपी में घोर अंधेरा है क्योंकि खुद पहरेदार लुटेरा है।
Closing the debate, I thank you all for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight. Thank you very much. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you, gentlemen.